look around.
Good morning. So today is September 22nd and I'm leaving to Canada. My flight is leaving at 10 o'clock, so we have to kind of hurry up to be at the airport at like 8. So yeah. Oh my god, I look terrible. But yeah, I've just said goodbye to everyone, which was not emotional at all. It's just, I'm on my own now. Okay, so I just landed in Warsaw and the flight was really nice. Okay, so I'm in Warsaw now. The flight was really good, it was really quick, it was only 1 hour. And I met a new friend. His name was Michael and he was like 40 years older than me, but he lives in Ottawa, which is super great, so I'm making new friends, you know? But yeah, anyway, I'm waiting for my flight. Oh, and I passed my first border control, which I was so proud about because I was so scared that there would be like so many complications and that I would have to come back to Prague. But anyway, everything's fine. I'm waiting at my gate and yeah.
I'll look around until I found someone.
I just arrived in Toronto now. I don't know where the heck I'm going. Okay, I'm editing this video right now and I realized that I didn't film like the most important part or like the part where everything got wrong. So I'm going to just like fill you in. When I arrived in Toronto, I basically had like 2 hours to, you know, find my other gate, but my flight got super delayed, so I had like 1 hour and a half. And then I had to like pick up my luggage as if I was leaving the airport, but I wasn't, so I had to like put it somewhere else. I don't know, it was just so complicated and I didn't know where to go, so I lost like half an hour just like figuring out where to like put my luggage. But anyway, I found like some random guy on the airport and he was like super nice and he said like yeah, I will put your luggages on the other plane. And I was like, I know like normally I would never do that, but I was so desperate. I literally had like 1 hour to get to my plane, which is like still a lot of time, but anyway, I was so stressed out that I was like, okay, yeah, I will leave it with you. And then I went to my gate where was like another guy and he basically like checked my plane tickets and he said, oh, but you are leaving from another terminal. I can't really pronounce it right, but anyway. So I was like, oh, wait, what? So basically he told me that I have to get on a train that will take me to the other terminal. It was just so complicated and I had like 40 minutes, so he said like, yeah, you should probably like run there. And I was like, okay, great. So I was like running like across the whole airport. It was so embarrassing. But anyway, I found the train and I got to the terminal. Then I had to like, you know, they have to check you if you have any like metal on you or anything like that, so I had to go through that and that took me like another half an hour, so I had like 10 minutes to get to my plane, so I was like literally sprinting. Then I looked at the board where, you know, are all of the flights written out and it said that my flight got cancelled. Yeah, but anyway, I was like, this can't be, so I just ran to the gate anyway, and I think there had to be like some problem with the board because the flight didn't get cancelled. It was normally open, but anyway, like thank god I didn't stop running because I would miss my flight. But I got to my gate and I was like super sweaty and super disgusting, but I didn't miss my flight, so that's the most important part. But anyway, back to the video. The next clip you will see is like me super stressed out and super sweaty, but getting on my plane, so So I'm in Quebec now. It's about to be like 11 p.m. which means I didn't sleep for a whole day, and the day before I didn't sleep for 22 hours, so I've been awake for almost 2 days now. So I'm going to bed. Everything's okay, everybody's so nice. We had a quick dinner, or they're like still sitting at the table, but I excused myself because I was literally like sitting and looking dead all the time. So but yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, see you in my next one.